Hop the feet apart, spread leg down dog. First, stretch it. There you go. Hold right here. All right. Here we go. Swoop down and forward and hover. So far, so good. Arch up. Push, push, push. Look for the wall behind you. Back down close to the ground. Bend those elbows. Plank posture straight up. Oh, man. Good struggle. Good struggle. Monster plank. Down dog. That's a good monster plank too, by the way. All right. Once again. Swoop down and forward between the hands. Hover right there. Very good. Okay, okay. Arch up. Arch up. Okay, okay. Bring it back down close to the ground. Plank posture. Once again, elbows tight to the side. Shift the weight forward. Come down to a right angle. Chin to the mat. Halfway up. Chin to the mat. Plank posture. It's getting closer. Monster plank. Down dog. You got it. Right forearm down to the ground. Left palm and right palm. Very good. Right forearm down to the ground. Left forearm down to the ground. Right palm and left palm. Okay, Avril. 1 count. All 4 movements. Ready. 10, down, down, up. 9, down, down, up. 8, down, down, up. 7, down, down, up. 6, down, down, up. 5 more, down, down, up. 4 more, down, down, up. 3 more, down, down, up. 2 more, down, down, up. 1 more, down, down, up, up. Oh, major improvement. Monster plank. Down dog. Oh, wait till you see this.
Down and up.
Nice. How many is that?
Down. This last one. Up.
How many is that?
Just 4 more.
Okay.
All right. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. And then last one. Down, up, and then you go into monster plank.
Nice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We done.
And a break time. That was awfully fast counting. That was Let's see how it is this time. 4-step dive bomber. Here we go. Chest between your feet first. Chest between your feet first. Thank you. All right, here we go. Swoop down and forward between the push-up bars. Hover. Oh, so far so good. Arch up. Yes. Bring it back down close to the ground. Plank posture. Monster plank. Down dog. The push-up bars. Here we go. Step 1, swoop down and forward. Hover right here. That's low. That's awfully low. Arch up. Don't touch the ground. Look for the wall behind you. Bring it back down close to the ground. Close, close, close. Plank posture. Oh my goodness. Monster plank. That's looking too easy. Down dog. Oh boy. Chest between your feet. Thank you. 4-step dive bomber. Step 1. Swoop down and forward. Hover right here. Hold. Arch up. Okay. Back down close to the ground. Plank posture. Oh man, monster plank. Down dog. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now do a push-up. Oh man, okay, do 1 more push-up. My goodness, 1 more push-up. You gotta be kidding me. Yes, monster plank. That's what I mean. Down dog. I recorded that too.